People are building six-figure businesses with machines most do not even know exist. If you are looking for machines that can help you start or grow a business, then stay tuned. I am going to share with you 10 business machines you can buy from Amazon to make money, and not just a little money, but potentially six figures or more. The best part is all of these machines are under $10,000, making them an affordable way to start a business without breaking the bank. I will talk about their benefits, what to consider before buying, and the price range for each one, and much more. And make sure to keep watching till the end because number 3 on the list will surprise you. Number 10. 3D wall printing machine. Traditional wall painting takes skill and time, but a 3D wall printing machine brings a new level of precision to the process. It allows businesses to print high-quality designs directly onto walls, making it perfect for interior decoration, advertising, and event spaces. Using advanced printing mechanisms and software, the machine can create intricate patterns, murals, and branding elements with impressive detail. This is a unique service with growing demand as more people seek customized designs for their homes, offices, and commercial spaces. Prices start at $7,000, making it one of the higher investments on this list. For entrepreneurs, this machine offers a high-profit business opportunity. The ability to create one-of-a-kind wall art sets it apart from traditional painting services. However, there is a learning curve. Operators need to understand the software and ensure proper surface compatibility. Training is necessary to achieve the best results, but once mastered, this machine opens the door to a creative and profitable business. Number 9. Remote control lawn mowing robot. Maintaining large lawns takes time and effort, which is why automated lawn mowers are growing in popularity. This machine allows users to mow grass with remote control operation or pre-programmed routes. It is especially useful for commercial properties, parks, golf courses, and residential lawn care services. Many models come with GPS navigation, multiple speed settings, and obstacle detection, making mowing more efficient and reducing labor costs. Prices range from $1,000 to $5,000 depending on features and capabilities. For lawn care businesses, this machine is a game changer. It reduces the need for large crews, allowing one person to manage multiple properties efficiently. The downside is the upfront cost, which is higher than a traditional mower. Maintenance is also a factor, as these machines require occasional servicing. Terrain limitations can be another challenge as some models struggle with uneven landscapes. Number 8. Thread sewing notebook machine. Notebooks, planners, and journals are used everywhere, from schools to offices. A thread sewing notebook machine automates the binding process, ensuring strong and durable books that hold up over time. Unlike glue binding, thread stitching keeps pages securely attached, making this method a preferred choice for premium quality notebooks. The process is fully automated, stitching pages together with precision and speed. Businesses in the education sector, publishing industry, and custom stationery market can all benefit from this machine. Prices vary depending on size and automation level, but investing in one allows for bulk production and custom orders. There is a strong market for unique and personalized notebooks, which opens up business opportunities beyond mass production. However, sourcing quality materials like paper and covers is important for standing out. Competition can also be tough, especially from large printing companies. Number 7. Carton corner labeling machine. Applying labels manually can be time-consuming and inconsistent. That is where a carton corner labeling machine comes in. It is widely used in industries like food, pharmaceuticals, logistics, and cosmetics to ensure precise label placement on cartons and boxes. This machine automates the process, making sure labels are perfectly applied at the corners. It helps businesses maintain uniform branding, meet regulatory requirements, and improve inventory tracking with clear, scannable labels. With pricing between $1,000 and $5,000, this machine is a solid investment for businesses handling high-volume packaging. Using this machine increases efficiency by reducing manual labor and speeding up the production line. It is especially useful for businesses that deal with large shipments and need consistent professional labeling. However, the initial cost may be a concern for smaller businesses, and it does require some space. But in the long run, it can save time, cut labor costs, and improve product presentation. Number 6. CNC template sewing machine. Sewing by hand or using a basic sewing machine can be slow and inconsistent. A CNC template sewing machine solves this problem by automating the stitching process with pre-programmed templates. This makes it ideal for industries like garments, footwear, and upholstery, where precise and repetitive stitching is needed. The machine operates with remarkable speed and accuracy, producing clean and uniform stitches every time. It can handle various fabrics and materials, making it useful for businesses producing clothes, shoes, or furniture upholstery. Pricing for these machines ranges from $5,000 to $10,000, depending on features and brand. The biggest advantage is efficiency. It reduces the need for skilled labor, speeds up production, and ensures high-quality stitching. On the downside, it requires an operator who understands programming and maintenance. Number 5. Industrial Clothes Press Machine. Wrinkled clothes do not leave a great impression, and for businesses in the garment industry, presentation is everything. An industrial clothes press machine ensures perfectly pressed clothing in a fraction of the time it would take manually. It's commonly found in dry cleaners, laundromats, hotels, and garment factories. Unlike household irons, this machine provides uniform pressing results with high efficiency. It comes with different fabric settings, making it versatile for various types of clothing. The price varies between $2,000 and $5,000, depending on the model and features. It also reduces the need for manual labor, cutting long-term costs. However, it does require space, and energy consumption is something to consider. Despite these factors, the machine is a smart investment for businesses aiming to deliver professionally finished garments. Number 4. Manual Powder Coating Machine. Painting metal parts can be messy and inefficient. A manual powder coating machine offers a cleaner and more durable alternative. It is widely used in the automotive, furniture, industrial equipment, and home decor industries to apply a high-quality finish on metal surfaces. This machine works by spraying dry powder onto a surface, which is then heated to form a hard protective coating. Unlike traditional paint, powder coating is more durable and resistant to chipping. It is also eco-friendly since it produces minimal waste and does not require harmful solvents. The cost of these machines ranges from $1,000 to $5,000, making them accessible for small and medium-sized businesses. Powder coating creates a stronger and more professional finish while reducing environmental impact. However, learning how to use it properly takes time, and proper ventilation is needed for safety. But once a business masters the process, this machine can open doors to a profitable metal finishing service. Number 3. Feeder Spoon Making Machine. Feeder spoons are essential for babies and individuals with special feeding needs. With increasing demand in hospitals, baby care centers, and elderly care homes, a feeder spoon making machine offers a great opportunity to enter this market. This machine automates the production process, handling everything from material feeding to molding and finishing. It ensures consistent quality and can produce large quantities in a short time. Pricing varies depending on the model and level of automation, but the investment can quickly pay off. The market for feeder spoons is growing, making this a profitable venture. Businesses can sell in bulk to hospitals, retailers, and baby product stores. However, there are challenges. Raw materials must meet safety standards, and food-grade compliance regulations must be followed. Number 2. Small Paper Tube Core Making Machine. Paper tubes are used in many industries, from packaging to textiles and hygiene products. This machine is designed to manufacture these tubes efficiently, producing cores for toilet paper rolls, fabric spools, and even film carriers. Businesses that supply these products to manufacturers can benefit from steady demand. With automation handling most of the process, production speeds remain high, reducing the need for manual labor. Machines in this category typically cost between $2,000 and $5,000, depending on the level of automation and capacity. The business potential is strong. Paper tubes are always in demand, and this machine allows easy scalability as orders grow. However, competition from larger manufacturers can be a challenge. The cost of raw materials, particularly paper, also affects profitability. Despite these factors, businesses that secure reliable buyers can build a profitable operation with this machine. Number 1. Multifunction Packaging Machine. Efficient packaging is a key factor in many industries, and this machine simplifies the process by handling multiple tasks at once. It can fill, seal, label, and coat packaging materials, making it useful for businesses in food, cosmetics, and pharmaceuticals. One of its biggest advantages is versatility. It can package products in pouches, bottles, cans, and cartons, making it a flexible solution for various industries. Depending on size and features, these machines typically cost between $1,000 and $5,000. For businesses looking to improve efficiency, this machine is a great investment. It reduces the need for manual labor, speeds up production, and ensures consistent packaging quality. On the downside, regular maintenance is needed to keep it running smoothly. Some technical knowledge is also required to operate and troubleshoot the machine. But for those willing to learn, it is a valuable addition to any packaging business. If you had to choose one from this list, which one would you invest in? Drop your thoughts below. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more content like this.